I'm back with yet another tutorial video, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to sign up on GroupMe. For that you need to open up your GroupMe app on your phone. After you open up your app, tap on create an account, which is at the bottom of your screen. Here you can see that you can create an account with Microsoft, Facebook or email. For now, I'm going to show you how to create an account with your email address. If you want to upload a display picture, tap on Set Avatar and you can either take a photo or upload it from your gallery. Then enter your name, your email address that you want to link to your account, and then set a password. If you agree to GroupMe's terms of service and privacy policy, tap on the small circle and then tap on Create Account. If you easily want to connect with friends and family, enter your phone number and then tap on Get PIN. To verify your phone number, GroupMe will send you a PIN. Enter the PIN and then tap on Verify. Grant all permissions prompt on the screen. And at last, you'll need to select your birthday, birth month, and your birth year. When you are done, select Next. This way you can create GroupMe account. Now you can group call, send text messages and easily share photos. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.